I just wanted to go through this genre real quick with you for Unit 5, Week 3. And they do it for the story that you should have read yesterday. Remember, our essential question is what changes in the environment affect living things? Read about the effects of forest fire on plants, animals, and people. The selection Forest on Fire is an expository text. What is expository text? It gives information about a topic, develops the topic with facts, examples, and explanations, and it may include graphs and photographs. So, how did you know Forest on Fire is an expository text? It says highlight details that help you answer the question, then circle 2 text features and describe the information they give about the topic. Use the Think Aloud for help. So you could come down here and click on the Think Aloud. And I can tell that forest fires is expository text. The selection gives facts about the cause of wildfires and explains more about them. Photographs, captions, and graphs add information. Okay, so here's some headings. Okay, and if this thing weren't in the way, we could see the title, and as we go on in our book, we might be able to see some facts. Again, they're asking you to highlight deals and checkouts. So this is what they put in the Think Aloud, or in the thing from the Think Aloud. How do you know Forest on Fire is an expository text? Highlight details that help you answer the question, then circle 2 text features. Okay, so in this one, I could say, okay, so they have pictures, and they have also have the caption at the bottom. And then it wanted you to highlight some things. Well, you could highlight probably about anything in here. Here's something. Fires release nutrients back into the soil, making it more fertile. Often this new plant will be better adapted to fire when it exists. Some species will have fire resistance roots, leaves, and bark. And then among its benefits, fire promotes stability. It eliminates, so you could highlight that, and it eliminates the invasion of species that can take over the area. And so those are just a couple things. And then we can go on to the next one. It says photos and captions. These photos show us cones, a new seedling in the young forest. The captions explain how fire causes the process. Okay. So it says, how do you know Forest on Fire is expository? Highlight details. So you could come over here, and again, here's the graph. Here's the title of the graph. Here's the caption for the picture. So you could do that. And here's you've kind of already circled the graph. It says the graph title and the graph title. So they've kind of already done that, and they highlighted the vocabulary words, and you can probably find here's a highlight thing, human careless. We always hear, a lot about that. And then the next, read the section benefits of naturally occurring fires. When is the danger of fire highest? Use the type tool to write your answer, then go to the next tab. So when is the danger of fire highest? And if you read through, you should be able to find that. So if you're reading your text, you can see that it says, it's right here. The danger of fires is highest during a drought, when areas have experienced little rain. So you might highlight that, and then you might go back over here in your text and type it in. And then it says go to tab 2. Discuss the graph. What may have caused so many acres to burn in 2011? Support your answer with facts and explanations from the text. Use the type tool to write your answer. So the question is, what may have caused so many acres to burn in 2011? Well, if you look over here in the paragraph, you can see, I'm going to try and find a different color highlighter that maybe won't cover up so much. You can see that the government tried to suppress them completely through the 20th century, so that could have caused them early the century, and they could have been the result of human carelessness, such as campfires left to smolder. So, to answer the question, what might explain it, you could say, there may have been more fires because of the suppression of them in the 20th century. And then another cause could be human carelessness. And then that would be all of your genre lesson. Hopefully this helps you with your worksheet.